Hello, welcome to the Daily Message. Chances are you have seen or heard about or read about the confrontation that took place a couple weeks ago at the Washington Monument between the kids from the school in Kentucky, the Native American gentleman, and the African American men. And this sad event just seems to be a symbol or to highlight the deep divisions that are present in our country today. And so our question becomes, what can we do to be grace in a situation like this? Do we fan the flames of division? Or do we attempt to bring healing and unity in our society today? And of course, there are ways that we can be grace in the midst of this culture. We can be grace by engaging in civil conversation rather than confrontative conversation. We can be grace by not being quick to condemn those with whom we disagree, or call them names or hurl insults at them. And we can be grace simply by being willing to listen to points of view that are different from our own. And so, in a moment like this, in a time like this, I ask us to think about those ways in which we can be grace in the midst of great conflict and discord in our country. I hope that you will take the opportunity to reflect on that today, and thank you very much for listening and watching.